Do you remember when you were a kid? You used to be so happy and excited all the time, running here and there, smiling, happiness was everywhere around you. Your family, your friends, whenever they used to see you, your happiness used to bring smile in their heart as well. You used to be the source of your happiness. But when we grow up, we go to school, we go to college, we go in the society, and somewhere else we forget that our connection to our happiness is somewhere not outside but inside us. I'm a law of attraction coach and I do a lot of counselings, and people tell me that, Mohit, I have everything in the world but I'm still not happy. I'm not able to feel that happiness anymore. The reason is that we have started to find happiness. We are trying to look for happiness outside. Like, if I get my dream house, I will be happy. If I marry this girl, I will be happy. If I marry that guy, I will be happy. If I go on a trip with my friends, I will be happy. If I buy iPhone, I will be happy. If I achieve my goal of 1 crore rupees, I will be happy. But when you achieve your goals, that happiness is just for few days or few hours. It will not keep you happy. And I have experienced everything because I have manifested all my goals in life at the age of 28. I have my dream house, my office, dream wedding on Goa on beach. I manifested all my goals and I realized that happiness is not outside. It is inside us. I started thinking about the childhood. I used to be so happy, excited all the time. And then I found something which really changed my life. It helped me to connect to my inner happiness, and that was the vortex. There are billions of people out there who want to be happy from inside. Billions of people who are making the same mistake again and again, that they are looking for happiness somewhere outside, They're looking for happiness in their goals, in their dreams, but actually it is the opposite. Your happiness, the source of your happiness is not somewhere out there, it is inside you. To help you become the happiest person of the world, to help you connect back to your inner child, inner happiness, I am coming up with the Vortex workshop starting from 1st February, which has 25 fun activities which we are going to do in 25 days. Yes, it's total of 28 days workshop, but in this 25 Vortex activities, it will give you 3 benefits, 3 simple benefits. The first benefit is you will be again connected to your true happiness. You will find your inner happiness and you will feel like, yes, I am the most happiest person in the world. The second benefit would be you will learn how to be in vortex all the time, not just happy for a day, all the time, how to stay in the zone, in that vortex zone all the time. And the third and the most important benefit, when you are in that manifestation zone, when you are in the vortex zone, your desires get manifested 5 to 10 times faster. So if you want to become the happiest person of the world, if you want to get back in touch with your inner happiness and live like you used to live when you were a kid, happy and excited every single day, no matter you have nothing or no matter you have everything, you will become the happiest person in the world. And every one of us can do it with this 25 law of attraction practices, the vortex practices that we are going to do every day. You just need to give 15 minutes of your time in this workshop and you will become the most happiest person in the world. So are you ready to find your inner happiness? Do you want to become the happiest person of the world? Do you want to live in the vortex? If yes, WhatsApp me today on this given number and I will enroll you and help you to make you the most happiest person in the world. I believe that we all can live a happy and positive life. Thank you so much, guys, and have a magical day.